Ready? We have here the Robert L, a rider from the USA. Welcome to Greece. How you see the scenery and the race?
Thank you. I've been here in Greece for a few days now. The scenery looks awesome. It looks like a really cool country. Unfortunately, it just started raining. It's supposed to rain all day tomorrow, but that's how it goes sometimes, and we're going to have ourselves a nice wet race.
Where you live in USA?
I live in Arizona.
Arizona is dry.
Yeah, it's a desert.
It's a desert.
A little bit different.
I see many videos of you.
Yeah.
But here is a different scenario.
Yeah, it's definitely completely different than my house. It's wet and grassy here, and a lot of trees. And where I live, it's dry and kind of more open. So it'll be a nice change tomorrow, and we'll go out there and have some fun.
What is your expectation here for the race?
I just want to stay consistent and not make any big mistakes. I won the last race in Portugal, so I want to kind of keep that going and see if I can get back up on top.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you.